The supervised rating process is the practical component of the Assessors training. It's where you've got an experienced assessor, a supervisor of the scheme, who will talk you through your first rating application. They'll check over your rating calculations, make sure that you've done everything correctly, and they're on hand to answer any questions that you may have. It's really quite a unique part of the NABERS program.
If you want to get the best value out of the supervision, is to involve the supervisor early in the piece. It's a great opportunity to discuss the configuration of the building, what type of rating you're doing, and also be prepared with some questions that you think that you are going to stumble upon. It's a great opportunity.
The best tip I can give to an assessor embarking on the supervised rating process is to talk to your supervisor early. Bring as much information as you have with you to the supervisor so that they can draw upon their vast experience in completing NABERS ratings and share that expertise with you.